Here's a 2016 Lincoln Navigator L. As brawny as it is beautiful, this Navigator leaves you wanting for nothing. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and EcoBoost engine. Cars.com writes, easy to read and extremely distinctive, the gauges make an elegant statement. Lincoln, this is your comfort zone. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.